Hola profesora, buenos días, soy Esme Tejada. A continuación voy a hablar el diálogo que tengo preparado entre mi hermano y yo, haciendo yo mismo de las dos personas. Eh, Comencemos. Smith, Smith. Hi brother, what are you doing? Richard. Hi Smith, I am reading a book that about yesterday. Smith. What's the name of the book? Richard. New fanboy Joseph Alfaro. Smith. Is he a Peruvian reader? Richard. No, he is from Argentina. Smith. What is about a young boy who wants to be famous but he ends up in jail? Richard. Oh, I see. How you like it so far? Smith. I don't know. It's a bit boring, but if he reads comment about it. Richard. Look, bought another book for your birthday. Smith. Thank you, Richard. You are the best brother in the world. Richard, I know. I have to get back to work. I'll see you on Friday. Smith. Bye, brother. Be careful. Voy a la otra pantalla, profesora, para que, pues, acá tengo el bloque de notas escrito. Y esto sería todo, pues, del diálogo que tengo preparado. Muchas gracias.